Check 1, 2. All right, 3 o'clock, baby. What is going on, everybody? We are back. Wow. I'd like to say I feel like I had a vacation, but it wasn't really a vacation. I had to take some time off. I did a late night stream Thursday. We missed tournament day on Wednesday. We don't miss tournament day, but I'm a grandfather now, and so I had to take some time off. And then I worked this weekend. You guys would love it. You guys that go out and work, you young men and women that go out and work every darn day, like clock in and have the job. Like I've done I did a lot, guys. I did a lot. When someone tells me they don't have enough money, I ask them, how much does your third job pay? Because that's what I did pretty much my whole life. And now I do this. I love it. Play a little bit of music. Have a good time, right? So, but I worked physically. It was, you guys would be like, dude, you didn't work, bro. I did compared to sitting here. Streaming, gaming, doing all the stuff I gotta do to do this. I was doing some, just like, I guess you'd call it indoor trim. We had to put in some baseboards, cut some baseboards, go around pipes, things like this. A whole bunch of caulking stuff with the caulking gun, the painter's caulk. Prepping for painting a room. And it was a whole bunch of climbing up a ladder, getting down the ladder, climbing up a ladder, getting down the ladder. But if you don't do that every day, you feel it. You feel it, right? So I did that Saturday, and it really felt good. Because I used to work at the upholstery shop. Please play with me, Reality Warper. There's a pinned comment. And I'm going to set my settings right now. You challenge me 1 minute unrated. See the pinned comment? Challenge Rosewood Telly 10 unrated. Let me go to social and let me go to allow friend requests, allow challenges. Okay, yeah. You can challenge me right now. Reality Warper, send it. And you could be playing me right now if you would have read the pinned comment. It's right above your comment. The link is to join the arena that starts in 30 minutes. I highly recommend joining the arena, folks. So yeah, that was a trip. And you know what? I really liked it. And so, needless to say, I didn't get paid for it. I was helping a friend. But I'm like, hey, he's here, guys. We're playing him. But I'll tell you this. I'm going to be doing more of that. Because it's good exercise. And it's rewarding. Isn't that weird? I want to go to physical labor for free. But it's not exactly free because when you love someone, work for free. Work. Hey, dude, this guy's playing a line, bro. This guy's playing the line. Ooh, he does that. Okay. Take here while we can. Okay. Do I take with the pawn? I think I do. He can play a check. I just come back, I think. Pushes the pawn. He says, you're going to do that to me. I'm going to do it to you. Bishop D6 is where it goes, folks. Castles. Oh, dude, I forgot I was playing 1 minute. Thank God this guy's rated 761. Dude, I was playing pretty casually, bro. Wow. Okay. God. Take that so he can't castle. Because he wants to castle. This knight needs to develop, bro. Oh, it came. Okay, it came. He's got the square. Okay, he takes here. Takes. Knight takes. I play rook takes. First. I didn't see that was hanging, but I saw it now. Knight can come. No, it can't. Okay, we take this, and now we have a threat. If he does this, we rip it. Okay, we go here. Checkmate. Wow! Reality Warper! Dude, you're rated 700, and you were only down 1 second. You should have been down 30 seconds and got checkmated. Good game, dude. Welcome to the stream, dude. I don't think I know you. Okay, let's see what Terrell Roberts says. Oh, I feel like this is a poop game and doesn't teach people anything of value. Checkers is superior. Hey! Thanks for my next rage bait post on Facebook. Kirby is in here for the 1 minute game, guys. We're going. Guys, Kirby's a little bit quick. Did he play F5? Come here. It's, well, you know, I put my rook there for a reason. Believe it or not. Oh no, I thought it was protected. It is protected. Yeah, I'm in a lot of trouble here, guys. I think we say here. No, but the knight can come back. Okay, we go here. Stepping out. Okay, we go here. Coming back. That was dumb. Why am I walking back into the pin? I'm so dumb. There we go. Now we're not pinned. My rook was hanging. No! Dude, I was way up on time. Dude, good game, Kirby. Dude, that was a good game. Dude, good game. Good game. Please tell me why you're good. Okay, chat disconnected. Don't tell me it. Why did I do that? Kind of like refreshes or something? Hit that again, maybe? There we go. Yeah, you're pretty good too, Reality Warper. Let me tell you something, man. When someone's rated more than twice your rating, you're supposed to lose on time way worse than you did. Yeah, so you've got the pace down. You just need to keep working on your chess, and your level will get up. Just like me against AFM Kirby, I was winning that game, but I hung a rook, and then I got checkmated. Yeah. You won against someone in my arena. Reality Warper, good. Play it again. We're gonna do the arena again today, brother. We're gonna play again today. And Space Guy said, "K, Space Guy, you want to play? Send it, brother. Send it. Someone send it. I came to play chess. It's 1 minute chess. I've been in way too long. I missed 3 streams last week, and I did a makeup stream for chess at about 9 o'clock at night from a hotel room. I probably rode my road rig with me, guys. My road rig is awesome. Reality Warper, I'm going to try and get a few games in with new people before I start doing duplicates. Although, now that I remember, I think last stream that came a lot sooner than I thought it would. In other words, the first couple times, like in the 3-minute chess, there's always a new guy I can click on. In the 1 minute chess, the games end so fast, So let's try and get someone who haven't played yet to give them a chance. Challenge Rosewood Telly, guys. It's in the pinned comment. Okay, you can just see it right there. If you deleted the pinned comment, you could probably just refresh and see it. And then after, if I feel like I'm not getting enough challenges, I will 1,000,000% just say, just keep sending it, bro. And I'll play this. I'll play Reality Warper, my new friend on Facebook. I mean on chess.com. Reality Warper, we are now friends at chess.com. You know what that means, right? It means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? If you don't like it, unfriend me back. I don't even care, man. Thanks for the advice. Yeah. No, but you play fast. I mean, that's insanely fast, how fast you played. A 760 would have, to play at the same speed, although I did play a little slower than normal at the beginning. I was talking a lot, and then I'm like, oh, I forgot it's a 1-minute game. Yeah, that was a good game, Kirby. Bro, I left chess for a whole year for... I don't know what that is. Is that a trap word? I left chess for a whole year for some type of prep. I feel like if I say those words together, it's going to say a bad word in another language or something. What does that mean? Because that doesn't make sense to me. Exam. G exam. What's a G exam? What? Okay, so I just don't know what G is. So it is my ignorance of the topic is the problem here. Tell me what it means, dude. You're prepping for a G exam. Joint entrance exam. That's awesome. Still don't know what that is. Tell me what it means. Is it like a entrance exam to get into a college? Entrance exam in India. Okay, cool. Joint entrance. I can't even say it. I don't think I would pass it. First off, you have to learn how to say it. That's what I talk about. A lot of these cheaters in chess, they don't know how to spell chess. They know nothing about chess, and they just come and make the engine moves, and they go, what? I've been studying a lot lately. They don't understand. Life is not like that. We get another friend request. No. All our friend requests. Boy, we got a lot of friend requests. A lot of friends here, man. I got a lot of friends on chess.com. Math exams for IIT. Yeah, that's awesome. Still wish I knew what that is, dude. You are so the future. Guys, Reality Warper is the future, and I am the past. Because he's just using, like, common sense words that probably some of you guys might understand, even if it is from India. And I'm over here going, what? What is the I know what IT is. IIT. The Institute of IT? What is it? Math exam for IIT. I wish I knew what that meant, brother. Indian Institute of Technology. Ah, you're one of those smart people. We're gonna have to keep an eye on you. Yeah. Dude, there was a guy that went to MIT, which is pretty, I think it's kind of tricky to get into. You got to be smart and stuff. And he was 2,300. 2,300 in classical chess. You can work really hard for a year or two and be 2,300 on chess.com if you have some talent for it. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't quite work like that in classical chess. It comes way slower. It's tricky. He was a cool dude. I think I played him. I had to play him at least once for something, and I lost miserably. And now, okay, guys, if I'm not getting any challenges, I want to keep the games going, guys. We got to keep the games going, so why don't we do the thing where now just send them to me. Just send it to me, Reality Warper, AFM Kirby, anybody that wants to play me. There is a pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly, 1 minute. Taper Mike, hello chillers, dude. Is today International Chess Day, Taper Mike? I didn't know that. Okay, I'll be 2,300, so thanks. Yeah, you will be. You will be if you work at it, because you're a professional learner. You're a professional learner. What do you do here? I move. Look how long it took me to move, guys. I wouldn't do it. He was cramped. Why am I trading? Probably not a good move, but I'm doing it. Pick that sucker. Take it. He's threatening mate. We cover the mate. Maybe bring some stuff. That's probably a good move, dude. Oh, he's coming here. Okay, I don't really like it, but I'm doing it. There's no way. Dude. Dan, you were up on time. I mean, and you made threats. I would imagine maybe you're playing really good because you're playing against me. You know you're playing a high-rated player. You got to move fast. But if you keep that pace that you're keeping and you play against people you're rating, I would imagine your rating would just go up. You know, Kirby's back. We're going. If I go back and forth with Kirby and Reality Warper, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Is it too much? Are we okay? What a move. Look at that bishop. Oh my god. Just go, man. He sees it. We got pawns. Who owns El Centro? This guy. I can't get away from the stuff though, guys. Oh, I thought it was covered. He didn't see it. No! I thought I had something there, folks. You can make me. Good game, dude. Good game. Dude. Thanks for playing. I'll remember you forever. Dude, oh yeah, no, I'm playing guys really good, man. He's like 300, he's like 400 points higher than me. Dude, I'll remember you forever too, Reality Warper, but you're not gone forever. Just hit the sub button, hit the like button, and come back. Come back sometime. Reality Warper is back in the pool, folks. You absolutely love to see it. That was direct response, folks. I want the knight so bad. No, this opens lines, so it's fine. Okay, hit that. Take that. Come here. Blundered! He saw it, guys. He saw it! Check. Oh, he made a square for his thing, guys. This was better. No. No! What's the problem? No! He got me. He got me! Hey, Reality Warper, you got me. You are slightly underrated and not a cheater. You're slightly underrated. Good game, dude. I'm surprised I played this. I was tilted earlier. It's crazy. Really? AFM Kirby? You're playing good. Dude, good game, brother. Good game. That's why we play unrated. That was unrated, right? I sure hope so, brother. No, it says plus 13. I lost points for that. Dude, you got to send it unrated. Or I'm not going to take it. Live chat. Live chat. Dude, that is awesome, dude. Yeah. You're a little underrated, man. For sure. But you played a great game. And then I'm supposed to be able to beat you at the end on time. Like, almost any thing going on. If you're 1600, you're playing a 700. You could do almost anything. And then just win on time at the end. Even if you're up by 5 or 10 seconds, I can still do it. That's normal bullet chess against a 700 player. So you're on your way up. Yeah. You got 13. Yeah, you got 13. It was rated. It's okay, dude. I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad at all. You earned it. But I'm trying to get my ratings up a little bit, and a really bad way to do that is playing lower rated players. You know what I'm saying? If I could play only higher rated players, my rating would just go up. Yeah. Good game, dude. No, I'm not mad about it, man. You earned it. You earned it good. You played to your advantage. You played to your advantage because you played quick. Yeah, so Kirby said he was having a hard time being a little bit of a slump or something. Cherry Scotia liked my stream. There's no way. Okay, I'm going to refresh my Facebook window because I have no people talking in chat. And sometimes Facebook needs to get support. It needs to get, what's the word? Oh, no. I just want to unpin that. Cherry Scotia, there she is. Let's go, Cherry Scotia. Cherry, tell me about your life. Tell me how good it is. I'm a grandpa. Do I look like one? I'm a grandpa. And I did physical labor on Saturday. That was crazy. But I'm okay. I'll tell you this, though. I had acknowledged. I have a scratch on my arm and a little scratch on my arm over here. And I have a bruise on the back of this arm. And I'm like trying to figure out where I got them, which sounds weird, but I am. And then when I was working Saturday, doing some work, helping prepping a room to paint, I looked at my arm and I saw these two yeah, you see those dark marks there? It's like, you know, when you get almost like a hematoma in your skin, like if you get hit or something, it'll bruise and you could see like a little bit of blood underneath the skin, and it looks like you could touch it, but it's kind of under the skin. You know what I'm talking about, right? Two of them, and they're healing. They're healing real fast, really nice. The thing is, I don't remember ever feeling any pain. When I woke up in the morning, I didn't have the little wounds. I worked for a few hours, I had them. I'm like, but I never bumped it. I never went, ow. I never, you know what I'm saying? I literally had to have a long chat with Chat GPT about it to figure out what the heck is going on. And we agreed I'm probably not dying. Oh my goodness, congratulations. You're family show. Cherry, I love you. Grandpa reminds me of something else. What does it? Durek, what does it remind you of? Bro, sorry, but I was not rated. +3 was for the advantage for the pieces. Oh, you're right, it was! Dude, you're so smart, Reality Warper. I'm telling you, Reality Warper, that's why you're going to IIT. And I'm playing chess. You're surprised I'm playing this well. Oh, yeah, I read that one. Okay. I'll tell you this. I got a message from somebody who is what appears to be the band leader of a band. The places I go, I don't normally see this band, which is kind of fun, actually. And he said, hey, man, I'm down a guitar player right now. You want to cover some gigs for us? And I've been really enjoying myself playing guitar lately. I never play guitar at home by myself. I only play when I get paid. Not because I'm so good. No one's that good. The people that get paid and make the most money playing guitar, they play at home all the time. That's why. That's why they make the most money, because they're the best, right? They stay the best. But I just usually, when I'm playing a lot of guitar, it means I'm playing a lot of gigs. And I'm not playing a lot of gigs right now. You guys probably know I did 2 gigs on a weekend a couple of weeks ago. But he said, that, I don't know if I'm going to join the band full time for a long-term thing. I don't know. I don't know if they would want me. I don't know if I want to. But he said they do about 2 to 4 gigs a month. One place they play is about an hour away. Everything else is like 20 minutes away. Right? That's good. That's one of the first things I asked. I didn't even ask about money yet. And then as far as the band is concerned, I have to have fun playing with the band or I'm not going to do it. Because I need money, guys. I need money. I can just be broke all the time and not play with bands I don't want to play with. You know what I'm saying? And then only play with bands that I'm going to have fun with. And so I haven't played with them yet. And you got to get along with people and stuff. I don't want to. It's like getting a job. If you went to a place to get a job and it's like everyone there you didn't like, you'd be like, yeah, I'm going to go get a job somewhere else. You know what I mean? So, the move is play with the guys. I get along with everybody. People get along with me. If they're doing gigs, they can't be antisocial, right? Hey, the arena starts in 3 minutes. Guys, get in the arena. Who's in? Me and Reality Warper. Kirby, you can't play the arena. How many do we need to get the arena? Guys, get in the arena. I'm going to post a link right now. But you may have to join Chess Chillers first. Join the arena. So, I'll tell you this. It is just literally an honor for anyone to call me and ask me, can I pay you money to come play guitar for our band? That makes me feel pretty good, right? I like it. Cherry is a freaking hilarious. I have to screenshot it. You're being screenshotted, Cherry. You're being screenshotted. All right. Yeah. There you go. It's a done deal. It's a done deal. And then how do I open this from here? How do I... It's in photos. I'll move it later. I don't want to lose it. Yeah, dude. Oh my God. Screenshot on Windows 11, guys. You just hit like what? Windows Shift and S, I think. I was just open the app because I have it right. I have it pinned, and you just drag over something and it saves it in your freaking photos folder, your screenshot folder. That's insane. So easy. I use it all day long. Let me out, Grandpa. Oh, there you go. Oh, that is so sweet, Cherry. She said, Grandpa, I'd like to friend. Well, you know what? We are friends. The arena's starting. Do I have enough players? Starts in 1 minute. Max players 4,000. Guys, join the arena, man. It's going to be a brutal 30 minutes. I saw your Facebook playing guitar. Oh, did you, Durek? When do you play Rapid with viewers? Durek, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. And you're right, it was not rated, man. I read that wrong. Well, it's probably going to be like blip. And then I'm just going to play in with this is really actually a cool arena if it's only us 3 because we got I like it for me because I got a guy 400 points above me, and I got a guy 900, 870 points below me. Oh, we got more too. Need he rated 904. India, dude. We got India representing, folks. India representing. Yeah. That was a cool gig, Durek. Yeah, on my Facebook, I posted a video of. I shared someone else's video. 20 seconds. We'll see if they're. With 4 people, it should go. Guys, join the arena. Cherry says, been working and spending time with my kids. We went to Cowtown Comic-Con this weekend. Wow, nice. Cowtown Comic-Con. Is that literally, isn't Cowtown, like, did you go to Fort Worth, or did you go to a place called Cowtown? Discord Diane God said, hey, it's me from last month. Anson Chan, wants to play 10 minutes. I can't do that right now, brother. We're doing an arena. It was canceled. All right, that's okay. Guys, the arena, sometimes everyone comes for the arena. Fort Worth in Waxahachie. Okay, cool. Yeah, Fort Worth is cool. Now you guys can challenge me 1 minute unrated. Anson Chan gets it. Anson Chan is first. We're just going to play 1 minute, guys. Where's that night going and why? No pin for you. It wasn't getting trapped, brother. That was probably a really good move. Dude, good game. I looked at your time, but I didn't look at my time because it was gonna be. I was scared. AFM Coverage says it's because everyone who came in these arenas have been banned. Yeah, right. That's funny. A cute alien femboy. Discording. Okay, cool. Well, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. Even you are way above rated than me. Yeah. Okay, I just played Anson Chan, and you. Oh, we got a new one, Muhammad. Muhammad is in, folks. Do you know when I play chess, especially bullet, I put my hands on the WASD keys like I'm playing World of Warcraft or Call of Duty or something? Kind of rough. We sacked though, so that was cool. Oh, I should have looked. I might have had mate. Always look for check, guys. It might be mate. Just dropping everything. But I gotta come back. Okay, and then, come here. Dude, good game, man. Good game, dude, for 842. Mohammed, you are from Lebanon. Wow, I love the international flair of chess.com. Is the arena going to happen? I can't see. Why can't you challenge me, Discord? Did you send too many or something? Always be careful about spamming challenges, because if it feels like you're spamming, it's gonna like put you a timeout. So send me one and it'll send a cute, there you go, that's you. I got you, cute alien femboy. Mouse slip, mouse slip. Why is he moving so fast? How does he know how to do that? Any. Yeah, that's a pre-move right there. That's an any. I could just play her. Yeah, I do. Good game. Good game. Rated 652. I'm 1,000 points higher than you, and you still played a good game. Good game. Yeah. Yeah, so the arena was canceled because we only had 3 players. If you would have made it, you would have been there. I got a cute alien is my new friend on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. All right, brother? Warper's back in. Do we need coffee? No, I'm going to have to warm this up. Is it a real thing about putting metal in a microwave? Probably shouldn't try it, huh? I wasn't full screen and ready. Oh, dude, you're rated 652, brother. But still, if you weren't ready, it would be rough if you weren't full screen. But it's okay. In other words, if I'm playing a 2600 and I lose, and I made an excuse like I wasn't ready, he's like, it wouldn't have mattered if you're ready. I'm 1,000 points higher than you. But you should try and beat me. And Reality Warper rated 761. He already defeated me once. Watch, this is the guy that beat me. He moves real fast. Been in this position 1,000 times. That was 100% correct. What do you do? Definitely take that. Definitely play take share. Definitely come to this square. Breaks in El Centro. Probably not an altogether bad move. I kind of have to take. Okay. Probably come here. Okay, come back. Wow. I think I could have gotten in trouble there. He's not 700, guys. Warper? Warper, we gotta have a talk. You are not 700. That's not how 700s play chess. We're gonna look at you, brother. I mean, you're young and you're a tech student. Boy, it looks like you play a lot of bullet though. Do you play any rapid? Rapid is only 1,052. Dude, you're so underrated, bro. Acute alien, his rating is way closer to his strength. You're like not even human. He has alien in his name, and you're the person that's not even a human, bro. That's part. Look at this move. Trapped. Bishop back, I could take with check. Yeah. Dude, this guy is insane. Got him on time. You guys are so fast. You play so strong. I'm actually near 1,200 blitz, and I did beat you last month, so it must count for something. No, 1,000,000%. It does. And you played way stronger in the second game than you did in the first game. Pretty close, but being up 13 seconds is just like losing. You would have to be checkmating me. You know what I'm saying? I can sack the rook. I could sack the rook for the pawn. You'd have to, like, have the wherewithal to bring the king and, like, try and block it, you know, but as soon as you were going to block it, I would just sack it. And then you'd have to, you know, you'd have to win all over again. It'd be pretty slow. It'd be pretty slow. I'd have 2 pawns for the rook, 2 passed pawns. Your king might be over here. That could even possibly, that idea could even be a thing, right? Like, let's say if you did, let's say you got this, wait. How do I... Let's say you got... Oh, yeah, you're in check. Okay. Let's say you went... That's fine. Takes. I do nothing. I go here. You take. I do nothing. You, bring the king. I do nothing. You bring the rook here. I do nothing. Just to show you. You come here. Sack. Because you're threatening to build a bridge, right? Sack, king takes. This is winning. You're crushing. But your king's far away, and I have passed pawns. My king is cut off, but I think, yeah, you just come and, you know, and I just try and go. The problem is, oh no, I can come up. What? In this, oh no, in this position, I got to come up, and I try and push the pawns. If your king was like over here and my king wasn't cut off, it might be a draw. Yeah. That's a draw we see all the time. Honestly, is your opening I never seen, and I honestly don't know how to respond to it properly without impeding my development. Then this is how we get better at chess, right? You go back and you look at the game, and you do the game review, or go to the opening book, or go to Lee Chess. It's called a Latvian Gambit. And then you learn how to beat the Latvian Gambit either from chess.com or Lee Chess or YouTube videos. And then you come back and you make me, what you do is you make me change my line. you make me change my line because I have other moves. I have knight c6. I have queen. You know what I'm saying? This is the best move in the position. Okay, we got Kirby. We got Kirby. Kirby's in. Kirby's in. But that's how you get better at chess. He can have it. Yeah, I had that idea and I screwed it up. Hey, move backwards, folks. Okay, just here. Gotta do something, though. Gotta do something. Took care of it here. I thought I just pre-moved it. I thought I pre-moved it. Huh. Dude, that's like the first time I beat... How many... What... Dude, I never beat you, bro. I never beat Kirby. I never beat Kirby. Well, it says I won 1 and you've won 2, but that's bullet. Yeah, Kirby. Good game, dude. Trying to run your king. Yeah. Yo, how do I play? Please tell me. I can't find the arena. Physics, the arena. You know what? I'm going to change. Thank you for bringing that up. I'm going to change the pinned comments real quick because people want to play the arena so bad. The arena got canceled and now we're just playing 1 minute and you can challenge me. So let me unpin. I'll come. Dude, unpin message. To play me challenge Rosewood Kelly 1-0 unrated. Yeah, there we go. Hold on 1 second, brother. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have thought about that. So I'm sorry you got frustrated. You couldn't find the arena because it was my fault. So forgive me, brother. Pin that message. Great. This one here. Uninstall the pinned comment and put a new one. There we go. And then repin. Hi, I got a new PC, so I still got to sign into Twitch, but how do I play you? This is it right here. You got a new PC. Love it. PGF. Challenge Rosewood Telly 1 minute unrated. They're coming. Oh, man. You guys are coming in heavy now, guys. We're going to grab water, guys. I'll take you guys with me. Welcome to... Follow me to the coffee cam. Okay, folks. Stream Rock comes in at the perfect time to start another game. PFG has no life for 361 rating points. Means nothing. I've been getting crushed by people 1,000 points lower than me. I tricked him, too. Because he probably didn't know I was going to move. I luckily have enough pieces, guys. But I have to develop. He had an idea there. He didn't play it, thank goodness. Free piece didn't take it. Still pinned. I'm going to take the 2 pawns instead of the exchange. It's better. This is a better move because I get 2 pawns, guys. 2 pawns. Count them. And the best knight in the world. He had rook takes. That's not the best knight in the world. Better improve this. The knight over here. Oh my god. I'm like, wait, I thought I dropped the rook, guys. Dude. You guys are playing so strong, it's absolutely horrifying. You can play me Bullet Eye Sean. Unrated, please. It's in the pinned comment, it tells you. This is a rando account I signed in, but I'm 1400 rapid and like 1200 blitz because I mainly play on Lead Chess. Yeah. So what's your name on chess.com, brother, so I know which one is you. Hey there, I'd like to challenge you for a game. It's in a pinned comment, my brother. Nari T Dart. Yeah, I can't read your name. I'm sorry. So get it in. How's it going? Daniel Abbott, how you doing, brother? How are you doing? Welcome back. Okay, I'm trying to pick people I haven't played yet. Varun Mahal, 1001, 1 minute unrated. I'd say he gets it, guys. And I saw you with Sean, and I saw someone else, too. I'm going to get you guys. Come on. Hung it. I thought my thing was there and it's not. Oh, that's scary. Probably should be chasing his queen around when I'm not developed yet, but I can work. We're working. I had to play King F1. Dumb move probably, but okay. Dropped a rook, okay. Here, I guess. Drop a pawn. Okay, he gets a check. How am I getting challenges while I'm playing? I don't get it. Got him on time, but my God. 3 seconds left? Well, he's 1,000 at least. Guys, you guys could... This is why I'm playing unrated. My rating would be 1,300. Be back in a sec. Gonna find my main account for Twitch real quick. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Aishan said, I thought you didn't see me. Maybe. No. I can see him on my screen. I can see him. Aishan, I'm gonna grab you now. I see Chess Noob. I see Yakko Hood. You might have to resend those after this game. I don't know, but don't spam it because it will say you can't. You sent too many challenges. Good move. Okay, this guy is insanely strong, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna come here. And then I'll come here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go, like, where? Here, I guess? I think he had me. Okay, get that out of there. Get up here. He's too strong, guys. Like, all I had to do was not push that one pawn, and I'm okay. No checks. I got him on time because there were no checks. Dude, I shot 1,700. I'm like, this guy's good. You had some crushing moves. You had some crushing moves. I think I hung. I mean, it's a bullet game, guys, so I'm not even putting him down. He, in addition to, like, being way better, I think I was better for some of this. But I think in here somewhere... Yeah, I'll show you. Like right here. Right here, I think you take. You give me passers, but you got this. And my queen has to babysit. You know what I'm saying? So, like, if I start pushing, you just come here. I push, you push. Queen. See what I'm saying? If I queen, you take. If takes its mate. I think that was there, brother. I was horrified of it. Because once my queen's... You already know you're 1,700. Yeah, you're like, oh, I see it now. Yeah. Chess Noob, I don't think I played Chess Noob yet. I see a few people... Did I play Chess Noob? He's rated 294. I don't think I did. You guys are way too fast and strong for your ratings, guys. You guys are insane. trapping. My knight was hanging the whole time. Didn't see it. Okay, just do this and fix it. You got a problem? My friend told me, Charlie, you got a problem? Fix it. I slipped. But I get this now, so that's not too bad. Ring a rook. He wants to checkmate me, I think. There's a fork here too I don't like. Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Okay, I guess we'll come here then. Okay, then we come here. And we take and keep attacking. That's probably a good move. So frustrating, isn't it, when you get in that spot? You've been moving so fast. Yeah, you were moving so fast. I don't know if he was just trying to find a resign button. Good game, chess noob. Good game, dude. You're not going to be a chess noob for long. Okay, success. Found the main account. Physics, welcome back. There's no way. Physics with a follow. And Physics subscribe to with this Prime. Physics, thank you. And I have to say this too, guys. Almost my last chess stream. It was a Tuesday ago because, like I said, I had to do some stuff. I had real life stuff and I missed a couple streams. But a guy named... okay, here's my schedule, guys, so you know. Monday, I play Bullet against you guys. This is fun. Tuesday, I play Rapid against subscribers on Twitch, supporters on Facebook, and members on YouTube. Okay? And then Wednesday, we have our tournament day. It's a 10+5 open tournament, unrated. We have a great tournament. We've been doing it for over 60 weeks in a row, every week. And then Thursday, I play you guys 3-minute unrated and go over my tournament games. And that's the schedule for the week. And just as I was finishing up playing subs rapid games, Maurice Boney subbed on Twitch. And he probably subbed because he wanted to play. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars, dude. How you doing, man? Welcome back. And he probably subbed because he wanted to play. I don't even know if I had time. As I was ending the stream, it happened, and I don't even think I had time to tell him thank you. But I'm gonna try and get him in real soon to play against the viewers for the rapid games. For some reason, your stream layout is getting cut from sides. Please check. Varun Mohale, you are on YouTube vertical. I do multiple streams. Like if this was a phone, you're looking at your phone like this, you're on YouTube vertical. It's a shorts feed basically is where you found me, right? You want this one. Click on my name, Charly Sardo Gaming, go to my page, hit the sub button if you want to, and then you'll see 2 streams. You see a horizontal and a vertical one. The vertical starts with the V. It literally says V space 1 minute chess versus viewers. That's the one you're on. The other one just says 1 minute chess versus viewers live. Click on that one, get to the horizontal one. All right? Yeah. Dave George Rhodes is here too with the Star Side. Rhodes, how you doing, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Yeah. Thanks for the game, Retro Gaming. Dude, great game, brother. Great game. That was you. Are you chess noob? Oh, Reality Warper's taking off. Dude, be sure and hit the sub button on YouTube so you can find us, brother. And I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. I also have a TikTok, and I also have Instagram. Charly Sardo Gaming on all platforms. We got a 1 minute against Saug. Let's go. This guy's rated 526. And you know what that means today? Nothing. You guys are faster than me. You're better than me. You know how often my king is on f7 in the Latvian gambit? Very often. I'm like, what is he doing? I thought there was going to be a fork, guys. I thought there was going to be a fork. I didn't see. Take this, I guess. Just develop. No reason. No reason. Good game, dude. Good game. That guy played like a 526. No offense. Dave Joy says, I'm doing great, Charlie. I hope you had a great weekend. Couldn't make it last Wednesday. I was watching the semifinal of the World Cup, England versus Argentina. We lost. Oh, I'm sorry your team lost, brother. Honestly, I'm so off my game. Like, what the heck? You got to redeem yourself. This is, okay, Chess Noob wants to get back in. Okay, thanks for the game. That was a real game of chess, though. Sometimes, Suo, GP, Iley, HP. What is the name? How am I supposed to read it? The guy from the great country of South Africa. That was a real game of chess, and I appreciate it very much. It was real. We're going to see some games today that aren't so real. Meaning the person plays like better and faster than me, but they're rated 1,000 points lower than me. You're going to see some of those. Funny thing is, I'm not 500 elo. I'm 1400. It's just 1 minute stress. Wow. It's your real name backwards. Oh, that's the guy I just played. Okay. Oh, Philip. Well, that's so much easier. Phil Ryerson? Yeah, that's awesome, dude. What else we got? Retro Gaming. Okay, thanks for the games. Yeah, you're welcome, Retro Gaming. Thanks for coming in, dude. Thanks for coming back. Varun, did you figure it out? Did Varun make it over to the YouTube horizontal? I don't see him. Yeah. Oh, he said, oh, yeah. Okay, Discord said, Discord God said, yeah, I'll do that right quick. I have a whole system for inputting new lines. I let you do your thing. I'll study this shiny new Pokemon of an opening. Yeah. And then as soon as I don't like the position that you're putting me in, I'm going to quit playing that line and I'll do something else. That's how chess works. Especially Blitz can be brutal like that, man. But you can also try something new yourself. Okay, Chess Noob. Chess Noob 294. Let's see what we got here. I think this is physics. BH, is that you, physics? Get to your board. Philip, you got to move, brother. Got him on time, but dude, I hung my rook. I mean, I'm threatening mate. Rook takes. Probably knight back to avoid this malarkey. I'm threatening mate. You just stop it. I'm on the knight too, though. The knight can come back and stop the mate, but that looks pretty dangerous. But it stops the mate, and you're fine. You know what I'm saying? I can maybe check. On the light squares, looks pretty good. You got to go somewhere. You got to go somewhere. Maybe even better. Even better is just take and threaten a new mate. The knight can't move. You know what I'm saying? So I might actually be okay in this position if you took my rook. Let me go back and see, because I'm curious. Yeah, black is better. I'm winning here. I need to just take your rook, bro. I didn't see it. Knight e4. Bishop f7. Q e7. And then just start developing. Wow, and just let him take that. Can we take? No, you play knight g5 check. Oh, knight g5, queen g5. And there are multiple... look at this threat. Takes a rook. Rook e7. Queen takes, king takes, and queen d6 check. Ooh, I guarantee I could probably get one of these pieces. Watch. Nope, you don't even take it. You just take the pawn, and you just be up. Good game, man. Okay, Kirby, you're back in, brother. You said you're on Twitch. What's your name? Same name. Same name. Charly Sardo Gaming. Spelt it L-Y. C-H-A-R-L-Y. Just read how it's spelled. Forcing. Okay, that could be an idea. Come here. Yeah. Can I take it yet? No, I can do this though. It's probably a good move. Oh man, I didn't see it. I guess go here. I'm getting so mated here. Oh, I thought I had this move. I don't. I should have at least checked. I went for it, Kirby. I went for it. You're okay. You're oh, that's right. You are. Yeah, I remember you now. Yeah. So yeah, do you find me on Twitch, man? Physics Fault on Twitch, and subscribe with this Prime Physics. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Tita Hey, I think if I haven't played you, if I already played you once, it was only once, but I don't think I did. Unless that was him. No. Didn't see it. But I am on this, and I'm on this. I'm also on F4. I'm also on this. I think F4 first. Oh man, I didn't even. So he didn't see it. Oh no, I thought I was on that. I wasn't. Now I'm just losing, but it's okay. We're playing chess. Here, I guess. Well, he saw it. I can't go that way. Got him on time. You should have took the pawn, brother. You should have took the pawn. Good game. Oh, hey. Cole Cara. Oh, the poet says this is a... No, I'm not going to say that. Hey, Charlie. Koala, what's up, brother? Accidentally played the Carol Can. That wasn't you, though, was it? Oh, in the game previously. Okay, so far I played everyone so far, so we're going to reheat our coffee real quick. Take you guys. Well, guys, check out the coffee cam. All right, guys, we're going to get back to the Blitz right now. Guys, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, why did you pour it from one cup to the other? This cup is metal. You say, Charlie, why do you have a pink cup? My girlfriend bought it for me. What can I say? It matches my jacket. It makes me feel pretty, but I have a girlfriend. Speech is like my kryptonite. No, the pink jacket actually was a girl's jacket, and it kind of became a theme. You see, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it in the in my thumbnail. Jay Cook, what is up, my brother? Did I just hear a ding? No, I didn't. No, I didn't hear a ding. I just want to be sure. I just want to be sure. Thank you for inquiring, Jay Cook. How are you, Jay? Good to see you, my brother. Good to see you, my brother. Okay, so what do we got here? I've got people I've already played. I'm going to give Phillips another chance at 526. It was a real game of chess, folks. A genuine game. Just move. It doesn't matter. All that time wasted, man. But it felt good. The rook is eating a pawn is the problem with the rook. Okay, it's not a pin, so we'll just come here. He's defending, guys. He's defending! Yeah, he hits mine. I guess we come... Oh, I gotta defend it. Just come... What do we do here? Yeah, dude. This is looking pretty crazy. He's looking scary. I can't compete. I can't compete with this 500, guys. He's outplaying me. I'm up a piece, but I'm getting mated. Here, I guess. Okay, the bishop covers a square. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the most insane game ever. On the time and the clock, guys. It's... Yeah, I couldn't compete. Dude. You're not 500. You're the one that was at 500? That was an insane game, dude. That was an insane game. We gotta see. I think you played bad at the beginning. Yeah, I played higher accuracy than you, but at the end of the game. At the end of the game. No, it still says you played bad the whole time. That was one of those games where I'm just like, I'm being crushed, I'm being crushed, I'm being crushed. Good game, dude. Good game. Your government... Oh, man. Oh, guys, no. Yeah, guys, you gotta stop. I want to delete Kingali Gaming. Yeah. Koala is just talking about where he's from. I'll smash. We are... you just gotta send it. That's how you play me. We don't do any politics in chat. Alright? So don't do that. Saying from where you're from is absolutely not only supported, but I love it. I love when people say they're from... Remove. There we go. Yeah. No, we can't let anything get political here, or else we won't be able to play chess. It'll be a big, angry fight. And even if you don't fight, it'll inspire other people. Yeah. There we go. And Koala got to give his reply. And I'm going to leave it there for a second. That's the problem with starting politics. No, it's okay, Koala. It's okay. I'm going to delete it for you. But the thing is, he said something, and therefore you should be able to reply, right? Because he's like said something about your country. But I'm going to remove it now. He had time to see it. Now, if you guys continue with politics, I'm going to have to do snoozes and stuff. Please don't make me do that. If it was political talk, you guys wouldn't be here. You'd be like, yeah, I'm going to go rage bait and yell and scream about politics, and then you would leave because it would be boring and you wouldn't be here for chess. Yeah, dude, that was a good game. That was a good game, man. Lost some time. That was, thanks for the game. Yeah. Good. Dude, that was an amazing game, brother. Yeah. Yeah, no, I got you, Koala. I got you, Koala. And I'm telling you, I had a guy come in my, not on my stream. I had a guy, he was a, what do you call it? Stand-up comedian. He came to my open mic. Stand-up comedy, of course. You're welcome to get on up and do some stand-up comedy. He didn't just do politically based comedy. Because that would be funny. Because that's funny stuff. It's usually based on reality, right? And he didn't even get up and do politically based comedy that was just not good and the jokes weren't landing. He got up and just went on a political rant. And it was pissing people in the crowd off. Or, pardon me, family show. It was making people in the crowd angry. And a guy wanted to get up and said, hey, let me do a reply to that. And I'm like, yeah, no. I didn't let him. I had to stop the bleeding. I pulled the guy off the stage and said, buddy, you can't do that here, man. You're going to start a freaking riot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's just how it works, man. There you go, Yusef. Thank you, Yusef. Yeah. Yeah, this is a chess. We play chess. We play Souls games. We build each other up. And the thing is, of course, guys, we all have our opinions, man. We all do. But if we let it run rampant, I got you, Mad. Oh, Mad, you want to play me 3 minutes? I can't do 3 minutes today, Mad, because for the same reason I can't let one guy talk politics, because then everyone gets to. That is, it's got to be 1 minute today. But I play 3 minutes on Thursdays. And we have a there we go, Matt. I got you now. We have a 10-minute tournament on Wednesdays. And you can play me rapid tomorrow. If you're a subscriber on Twitch. A member on YouTube, supporter on Facebook. I dropped my rook. He got his night out, so that'll be good. Didn't really want that there, but I could put it here, I guess. Wow. Oh my God, Mad, I didn't even look at your rating. You're 2,300. Dude, the guy's 2,300. Mad, I didn't even look at your rating, brother. Oh my God. Dude. I was close that game. I only lost, well, 5 seconds is losing bad, right? Pretty bad. But, yeah, dude, let's check out this guy's account. Yeah, that's a real 2,300, guys. September 29th, 2022. 100 friends. Yeah, this guy's legit. Good game, dude. Thank you for the game. I like to play high-rated players, man. It's fun. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. Here's the thing, guys. I'm just going to start. I'm going to try. I believe some of the people talking, when you're talking, it's like, it looks political. Yeah, 1,000% you are. Yeah, okay. I'm going to have to go ahead and ban you because I know that I've seen you before. Koala, you talked politics before and I asked you not to, and I snoozed you. Do you remember? Yeah, I'm just gonna clean the classroom right now. There you go, Yusef. I'm gonna leave you alone because you stopped. I saw Yusef. I'm gonna leave you alone because I asked you and you stopped. Thank you. And Koala, I wish you the best. But you, and I know you're passionate. And if you, it's like, it's so simple. It's something that Koala can't stop talking about, and that's not bad. He's passionate, and it's important to be passionate. But I explained why we can't talk politics here, because then we won't have a chess channel. Well, a bunch of yelling and screaming in chat. So, Koala, I love you, brother. Find yourself another chess stream to talk politics. I will also say, get a new account. Get a new account and come in with a different name, and I'll never know. And then just don't talk politics in my chat. I love you, brother. And I think Yusef loves you too. Yeah, he said it right there. He just said that. He said we're brothers. Why are we fighting? Exactly. Yeah. We got you guys. We got you guys, man. I love you, Koala. Like I said, make a new account, come back, don't do it. I'll never know. Right? But here we don't do politics. Reality Warper 10-minute. I can't play you 10-minute, but I'll tell you this, Reality Warper tomorrow. Reality Warper, if you have a Prime sub on Twitch, you know what that is, right? Link your Amazon Prime or your mom's or your sister's Amazon Prime to your Twitch. You get a free sub every month. You sub on Twitch. Then on Tuesdays, tomorrow, I play against subscribers on Twitch, members on YouTube, and supporters on Facebook only. As a special love for my supporters that keep me here, because without the subs on Twitch and the supporters on Facebook and the members on YouTube, I couldn't do this. So it's rapid. So tomorrow's rapid, but that's only for the subs. And then and you can play if you don't play me tomorrow. I actually have a list because I have hundreds of subs, guys. Right? So I'm making a list of subs that I've played, Twitch subs, Facebook supporters, and YouTube members that I've already played once. And once I get to the bottom and I have no one else to play, then we'll start over again, let you play again, right? But it's cool to play rapid. We play 10+5. We'll do that tomorrow against subs only. And then Wednesday, the tournament is open for everybody. That's 10+5. If you want to play me rapid, Reality Warper, best thing is to play me in the tournament. In the tournament on Wednesdays. And then, yeah, 3-minute on Fridays. We got that. Yeah, Twitch chat always seems chill and respectful. Taper Mike, it is. Well, part of it's because you're there, brother. If it ever gets out of control, I'll just ask you if you want to be a mod, Taper Mike, and you could just shut them down. But I probably got some mods. One thing about my mods is I have mods watching on one platform right now, and they'll jump around. They'll hear me talk. They'll hear me talk, or like when I was just talking about the politics and stuff, they might go like, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Then they'll go and they'll just start snoozing people and banning people. You know, so I don't have to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I love you, Jay Cook. Thank you, brother. I hope your life is good, Jay. Why are you ignoring? Charlie, why are you ignoring? What does it mean? Why am I ignoring? Why am I ignoring what? King Unling. Ignoring what? What am I ignoring? Tell me. Tell me what I'm ignoring so I can acknowledge the thing I'm ignoring. I don't want to ignore. Well, maybe it's something I want to ignore. Got you, Yusef. And like I said, if he comes back with another account, we won't even know. And he'll just be part of the community, which is what I want. Because I liked Koala. I did. But last time, I had to snooze him. I asked him not to, and he wouldn't stop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're good. We're good. Reality Warper, love you, brother. Yeah, come back tomorrow, man. Oh, why are you ignoring? Oh, okay, you get it. I got you, King-a-ling. King-a-lig. What is that name? Tell me about that name. Tell me what it means. I almost have an idea what it means. King-a-lig. Kingali Gaming. Kingali, is that your name? Charlie, you up for one more? Then you're physics. Yeah, what's your name again? Are you Philip? Are you? Imagine being the teacher and having to learn 35 kids' names. Not that big, not that hard, right? Over time, you learn people's names. Now, imagine being the teacher and learning 35 kids' names on Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, or usually it's just one of those, but then and on chess.com, right? I think you're Philip, man. Got you, brother. Uh... Dude, I didn't see it was checked, bro. You could have took it because it was checked. Oh no, he gets a draw! I left it there. No, good fighting to the end, brother. Good fight. You were low on time too. If I would have looked at the clock, I would have said, okay, I would have taken more time, but I'm like, just sack the queen. He's gonna take it. You Eric Rosen me fully. Eric Rosen approved. Good game, dude. Yeah, so okay, King Galig said, okay, bro, you gotta go. Cool, take off, brother. Good to see you again. Yeah. Goat to Borg Warrior. And Pilot Cougar Chess is here. Pilot Cougar Chess, I'm gonna take Goat to Borg Warrior because I said his name first, but Pilot Cougar Chess, send it back. I want to play you. What'd he take? Took a pawn. Okay, good. It's trapped. Totally didn't see that was hanging. I'm gonna resign, guys. You got me. Dude, Goat Borg Warrior. Good game. You're a warrior, dude. Physics will catch you tomorrow, brother. Yeah. No, I'm having... Dude, I'm having such a great time today, man. This is really cool. Pilot Cougar Chess. Search friends. Pilot Cougar Chess. That's my friend. I'm going to send him one. Pilot Cougar Chess is a great supporter of the stream. 1 minute. Unrated. Send it. I sent it to Pilot Cougar because he's worth it, because he's one of us. Stream Rock comes in at the perfect time. It's always a perfect time for Stream Rock. Don't you guys agree? Where's my Toasty Cheez-It, guys? Where Toasty Cheez-It holds down Twitch, bro. He's a Twitch holder downer. Toasty Cheez-It. Love him. The coffee is floating, guys. I need to stop drinking coffee. And quick. Oh, I got friend requests. Look at this. Mad Altamash. Chess Noob and Goatborg Warrior. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? Pilot Cougar Chess might have bailed out, guys. He might have bailed out. Sorry, Pilot Cougar Chess. I should have took you first. Challenge. Someone sent me a message. How do I play you? There is a pinned comment. How to play me. But guys, I think it's time to start making dinner. I had a freaking amazing stream. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to get ready for the gaming stream tonight. Facebook. The gaming streams have moved to YouTube and Twitch. Okay? What's the arena? The arena is closed. The arena is over. We didn't have enough players at the arena. And a lot of people a lot of people wanted to play the arena, but by the time we started the arena, we weren't able to. Pilot Cougar Chess. All right, guys. This guy's not going to be easy. Get to your board, Pilot Cougar Chess. What the heck just happened? Tooktown! Okay. We're here work with check, man. It's an idea. Okay, here. Probably not a bad move. Can he pin it? He can, so just make a move. Yeah, I guess I can go here. Take that. I get a couple pawns for my knight. Really screwed that up. Hitting two things. Hit two things again. Okay. Yeah. And then maybe take. Dude! Oh, okay. That was rated. Oh, yeah. I challenged him. I thought I challenged you unrated. Either way, good game, man. Chook. Thank you for the subscription on YouTube, on Twitch, brother. I love you, man. Very kind, very kind. I'm coming over there now, Charlie. I've been liking Twitch better than Facebook these days. Cool. We're here, brother. We're growing on all platforms as always. Yeah. Hey, man. WT Cam sent Goat Trophy for 1,000 jewels. Goat Trophy. Thank you. You're too kind. You're too kind, man. You're a kind soul. What kind? I don't know. No, I know you're a kind soul. Thanks for the support, man. Do you want to play a game, Chook, before we call it? I'll play the last game with you, brother. It could be. I'll even give you the. You can play 3-minute if you want, because it's the last game. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are new to the stream, my name is Charlie. I do play guitar and I do play the game called chess. How did that move down? Bullet, Max Evans. We're playing 1 minute all day today, but Chook says I'm coming. Okay, yeah. I don't think he's nah. Got no PC right now. Cool. Okay, Twitch. We are going to raid. Why? Because that's what we do here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Because it helps grow the community. Happy International Chess Day. This is ridiculous. This is a young lady, and her name is Singer Strategy. What do I say? My name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. So many chess players are musicians, man. So many chess players are musicians. That is so crazy. We'll go with this one because I want to talk about see if she's a musician too. Okay. She might not be a young lady to you, but she is to me. I'm old, guys. I'm old. Start the raid, and I'm gonna shut the streams off here in a second. I'm going on the raid with you guys, so go with me, okay? And we'll go check out this stream. There we go. We're going. Facebook, I freaking love you guys. YouTube, I freaking love you guys. We got to go on the raid. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.